Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'll be cooking pork chops and gravy in my air fryer. I'll be cooking some canned black-eyed peas. I'll mix these two together for the best flavor. This is Trapeze and Bush's black-eyed peas. I'll be using cream of chicken soup in my pork chops. For the gravy, I'll be using my Dash rice cooker for the rice. And this is the liquid I'm using for the rice, chicken broth, instead of water. And I'll be using my Matteson hot pot for the black-eyed peas. So today will be total kitchen gadget cooking. No stove required. Okay, let me open up these cans and open up these seasonings and wash the rice and wash the chops, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, got my chops in my Eden Pear unique air fryer basket. I washed them and paper towel blotted them. Okay, so I'm going to use all these cooking with greens seasonings. I'll leave the link for their website so you can see what they offer. So I'm going to season them with this. There's no salt in any of these, so I can sprinkle freely. And the salt I'll be using is here, the Knorr chicken bouillon. This is salty, so I'm going to sprinkle some of this on these. And there's also salt in the cream of chicken soup, so I'll be putting that on top. Okay, I seasoned it just on one side because that gravy is going to be seasoned too. And it's going to go on both sides. So I'm going to add the cream of chicken soup on top of each chop. This is how the black-eyed peas are looking. I'll sprinkle some seasoning in here too. Season it to taste. I get it on the lowest setting, which is 250. And I'm not going to open this, but my rice is in here, and I put some turmeric in the rice, and I sprayed a little oil in it to keep it from boiling over. I think that's it. Okay, I have the cream of chicken soup on top of the pork chops, and I'm just going to spread it just like I'm icing a cake. Get this rubber spatula thingamajig. And this gravy will be brown. It's not going to stay this color. And it adds so much more flavor. I'm going to sprinkle some more seasoning on top of the cream of chicken soup, so the seasoning can be all up in here. And there's no salt in these seasonings. There's salt in the cream of chicken soup itself, so you have to watch it. Okay, this is the Eden Pear unique air fryer, the big old fry basket. That's what I love about it. And I fry right in the bottom of this basket. I don't put a grill pan or nothing else in it. This is it. Turn it on. I'm going to set it for steak setting. That's 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. And I'll check it. I want it fully cooked because it's pork and you don't mess with raw pork. But I don't want to overcook. I don't want no dry chops. Okay, this clicked to the keep warm setting. From cook to keep warm when the sensor sensed that all the water had absorbed. Okay, I'm going to look at it. And I hadn't lifted this lid at all. camera. Okay, nothing is burnt, nothing is sticking to the bottom. This is my second time cooking in this Dash rice cooker. Okay, good. Okay. Good, good, good. I'm gonna look at the black-eyed peas. I turned this off a while ago. And I tasted them. So good. Okay, these are done. Chops got a little ways to go. I didn't flip them over. This is my pork chops and gravy, a little coleslaw, black-eyed peas, and yellow rice with the gravy. It's gonna be some good eating. Here's my plate, y'all. I got 2 chops, a dollop of rice, some black-eyed peas, and some coleslaw. I didn't feel like making cornbread. I'm gonna take some pork chop first. Dip it in that gravy. Seasoned, moist, juicy. I'm gonna taste some of the rice and the black-eyed peas. It's piping hot. Can y'all see the steam? Comfort food. Coleslaw. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. About to get my eat on. Bye.